Tired of losing track of things with sticky notes and spreadsheets? Let's transform your chaos into clarity by learning how to count and track anything in Notion. First, we'll create a new page in Notion and give it a relevant title, like Inventory Tracker, and then select the table database view. This will give us a structured layout to work with. Next, let's define our properties. Each column in the table represents a property. Rename the default name property to something like item. Add a new property and choose number as the type. Name this quantity. You can add other properties. Add price as needed. Populate your database with some initial sample data. Now for the magic, creating a counter. To do this, click the plus icon to add a new property. Instead of choosing a basic type, select formula. This allows us to perform calculations on our database. Inside the formula editor, type prop quantity. The function prop lets you reference the values of other properties. In this case, we're referencing the quantity property. You can create more complex formulas such as calculating the total sum of values. For example, to calculate sum of all items, click down. Now, your formula column will mirror the quantity column, effectively acting as a counter. You can quickly see how many items you have tracked. To show the total items tracked, simply navigate to the very bottom of the column and click calculate. Then choose the sum function. Voila! You now have a dynamic count, updating automatically as you add or modify items in your database. That's all for this guy.